out, got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. They palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is misguided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch. The label cut the check like the bladesman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't know how to ground fish. I left the city, I've been browsing. Treading water that they drowning. I head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. They keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how to ground fish. I left the city, I've been browsing. Treading water that they drowning. I head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. Can't stop, won't stop, till I tour the world when the glow trap. Then a nigga dope at the stove top. Type of shit they hide in a tube sock. I done skip town on a new block, but I'm still around, nigga, just not. Better hold it down when the groove drop. Where I kick down for the crowd, a balloon pop. Bet they come around for my moolah. Better run them out of town for they hoopla. Queen, she a hun like Mulan. Everything the hoes what they were, but they just not. They be right up in your face with the fake stop. They be thinking it's a game, but it's just not. They be thinking we the same, but they subpar. You from joy through the mud when the flood stop, pull up. Hey, I feel amazing. I play the angle. I send it to your girl, but I make a facelift. This is your brain, I'll be hella wild, but you can't.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got a special guest today actually. Do you want to just introduce yourself to the channel?
Hi, my name's Cam.
Yep. Yes, and Cam, what's this here then you've got?
So this is my baby, this is my BMW M5 F10.
F10, yeah?
Yeah.
So so this is a new car, you haven't had this?
Well, I've had it for just over a year now.
Just over a year?
Best thing I've done.
Yeah?
Best thing I've done.
Did you set out and go like, I'm going to go get an M5?
No, I set out to go and get an M4.
M4?
M4.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I took the M4 out for a drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah.
And I literally called him, I see the M5 there.
Yeah.
I went, yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
That's the one.
So what made you get the M5 over the M4?
Just it's bigger space inside.
Yeah.
And it's a lot more powerful.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about the power then, because this is not stock, is it?
No, it's not stock. So this is at the minute it's running at 680 brake.
Wow, that's mega power.
Yeah, that's power.
Guys, 680 brake horsepower. That is phenomenal power, isn't it? That's.
I'm still getting used to it.
Yeah, I bet you just can't get that power down.
You can't.
Yeah, it's mega power. You don't know any of the 0 to 60s roughly?
Roughly, I think it's just.
Pins you back.
Yeah, it pins you back. Put it that way.
Yeah. Okay, and you've had it wrapped as well.
Had it wrapped, yes.
You've had it wrapped. So So tell me a little bit about that.
So yeah, it was blue, like the original blue it was. So I thought I would switch it up a bit. So just went online, had a little look at that, and I went with this. So this is a Saturn psychedelic wrap.
Psychedelic wrap. That's sick. That's sick. And who did that wrap?
So they're called Identity Wraps. It's the other side of Maidstone. Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely.
We'll put a link in below for those guys if you're looking to get your car wrapped in Kent. Would you say they're pretty good?
Mate, absolutely amazing.
Yeah?
Absolutely
okay,
amazing.
we'll put a link in there before. Just a quick one, guys. If you haven't seen it, we did a little theatre bath, Grace little theatre bath the other week. I'll put a little link up there below. Go click it. Like I said, I want to bring a girl to the channel, and yeah, it was a lot of bants, so check that out. Tell me a little bit. So obviously it's got 6-pop calipers, I've noticed, so it stops, doesn't it?
Mate, if you didn't have those brakes, mate, you'd be going so yeah, definitely need those brakes.
We've got a funny story off camera. Me and Cam, obviously we've been friends a little while, and we bumped into each other.
We did, yeah.
Tell guys about that.
I was at the petrol station, I see him in his M2, I went, come on then mate, I'll give you a race. Not knowing this geezer could drive. So I thought I could drive, so I went, come on then. So I went to lights, I've gone. Obviously I'm getting used to the car, so I'm like, all right, I'll slow down. All of a sudden, mate, this geezer, bam, left me. In his M2, by the way. Left me in his M2.
So guys, as you know, I've got an M2 competition. Obviously I put a link up for that. Bumped into Campbell's at the petrol station.
It was, yeah.
And
let me tell you, mate, he's a driver. Good driver.
Thank you very much.
Good
it was good.
So he's going to give me a few lessons, I reckon.
We're going to go out in a sec, guys. We're going to show you. I'm going to show Cam a little bit of things, how to drive the car safely, but obviously fast. Obviously, I had a comment the other day on one of my videos saying that I was a shit driver.
Far from it, though. Far from it. Far from
so Cam here, obviously he's my friend, but he's gonna tell you the truth because he's like that. And yeah, just to clear that one up for you, my friend. Anytime, any place, let me know. So what do you reckon? Should we go out for a drive?
Yeah, let's
we'll
go.
just see what it's all about.
Yeah, why not?
Guys, we'll see you out on the road and we'll go from there.
Mobbing with my brothers, there's no question, keep it real. Whether we East Coast or no, we in the hills. In the poppin' straps of proof, faces not the pills. Heard you callin' bluffs, I show I'm proof, yeah, this for real. Son of God, no, the son of Sam. Keep it off the books and keep it coming in. Reach the O, see what I'm coming in. The inside caramel, just like a
We're running over. Guys, we're sat in the car. We're just about to go for a drive, but we're going to go for a little cruise first, just to get an idea. Because with something this powerful, you don't just want to jump in it and go straight away. So, hey, actually, lesson one: put your seatbelt on. All right, so lesson one. Learn what's going on with the car. So see, I don't know this car. We're just gonna go for a little drive just to get an idea of it. So first thing, Cam, you want to learn your car.
Exactly,
so you know, a car has its limits and a driver has its limits. You don't want to just jump in a car and just fucking send it, because you're just gonna end up in there. So we're gonna go for a little drive, guys. What we're in now, Cam? We're in sport.
We're just in normal mode now.
We're in normal mode. So as a cruiser, let's talk about a little bit as a cruiser. It's not loud, so it's not like bah, 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 you know. So it's really quiet.
So it's like you can drive this car like a family car as well.
Yeah. So you got obviously the seats in the back.
Yeah.
You can throw your family in, you know, your friends. Yeah. And if you really want to, you can have a couple of strippers, can you?
Well, mate, without a doubt.
So we're gonna just go for a little drive. So here I'm coming to third gear. I'm gonna get past these guys. And then I'm gonna start braking here, so I'm braking before the corner. I'm slowing the car down way before the corner.
Yeah.
Obviously taking into account the road and, you know, see if I came out flat out.
Exactly that, yeah.
You know, so you just want to have half throttle here. Sort of feed the car. You want to turn before the corner, so you get the nose in.
Yeah.
And then let it run wide. It's not really good hard because we've got too many people around to show you properly. But the idea is to slow the car down before the corner. I'll show you another corner a little bit better.
Yeah.
Oh, it really does go, doesn't it? It really does go, doesn't it?
Yeah, mate.
But this is not it's 6-cylinder V8.
This is a V8.
V8, that's why.
Yeah, it's a V8.
It's a V8, like the torque is just
mental.
Yeah, because it's linear, where the 6-cylinder is not as torquey. So shift down. Second you want around here, if you're coming at this speed. That's just everyone in the way today.
Yeah.
It's Easter Sunday. Come on, love. That's better. Yeah, just pinch it back. Oh, he's in the way.
It's the first time I'm holding my car.
Yeah. Wait till we get the track.
Yeah.
So here, it's actually still not poking out yet.
Yeah.
Come
Fucking hell. Alright, listen, because every time I sit here, I'm like, no, slow down my car. On that side, I can't feel that, what I'm feeling here.
Yeah, you won't do. You'll, I think even me as a driver, I'd be really nervous, like, oh my god, what's
Yeah,
going
of course.
on?
Actually, I wouldn't have the bullet to do that.
Yeah?
No.
Just confident. Just keep shooting.
Oh, you funny cunt. Right, I need some driving lessons, I reckon.
I didn't hang into it too much because of the tyres.
No.
Normally you'd hang into that all the way.
No, because I was holding you hand going, no. See, I see people sitting and doing that, when I drive it.
Yeah.
I've never done it in my life. I've never,
Yeah, I mean, you just got to know your limits.
Yeah, of
like,
course, yeah.
you know, you don't want to just like fucking full on send.
Yeah,
Just end
of course,
up in the
yeah.
bush.
But I've been thinking of taking this on a track day. So
Yeah, we go together. if
Yeah,
you
I've never
want.
been. I've never done. I've never
Yeah.
been.
We need to get some
new day about my car.
So So let's talk a little bit, because we've done a little bit of fucking nutty driving.
Yeah.
And we don't want to push this car because it's very nice. And let's go back into eco.
Well, we're just going to go back to what
We'll just go back to
We'll just press that if you want. What's it on there?
yeah, we'll just press it on that if you want.
So the steering gets softer on whatever on sports, that's fine.
That's fine. So, going back after we have a bit of fun in the car, back to the video a little bit. So as you can see, the car is really controllable.
Yeah.
Right? So it's really easy.
So with me, I don't always put my foot down too much because I think I won't be able to control it because of the power. But obviously there's ways, you know, you've got to know how to drive it.
The best thing, if you want to know to the limits of your car, obviously officially go to the track.
Yeah.
Secondly, if you find an empty private car park, you know, just do a bit of drifting.
Get used to, yeah.
I get used to it. Even if you spin out, you're gonna spin out. I spin out. Everyone spins out. It happens, right? But if you get to car park or a track, if you go there and you start drifting, you'll start to realise how the car handles, how much power to put down. You'll start to understand how the car reacts.
Exactly, yeah.
And then obviously after that, you'll know the limit. So when you get to the road, you'll know, oh yeah, it spins out on this much, or I'll put this much power down. You just got to learn. It's like going to the gym, man. You don't go to the gym straight away, lift 100 kilos or whatever. You start a little bit. Like when I go back to the gym, I'm gonna lift about 5 kilos. Mate, I'm fucking.
Look how skinny I've got.
Mate, I know, innit? But I'm getting a belly and everything. Honestly, it's fucking terrible. It's fucking so shit. Let's talk about Smoochie a little bit, because he's a good pal of mine.
My boy Smoochie.
Yeah, shout out to our mate Smoochie. He's doing a little filming on the island, isn't he?
Capers, man, that's the one.
Yeah, we'll put a link for his thing below for you guys to check out. He's doing this little filming thing on the island. It's actually really funny. Reminds me of like Del Boy.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put a link below for that because he's a good friend of mine. Known him a while. Yeah, so it's quite funny. Have you seen? I've seen like the first episode.
I've seen it. Yeah.
But the guy's like, "You owe me money, mate," or something, a $5 or something, and then he's like,
That's typical island, though, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? Like,
bro.
You owe me a $5, mate. Like, fuck you know, like, calm down. I'm gonna send the wolves out for a $5. So tell me a little bit about yourself though for the channel. What are you up to these days?
Yeah, I'm just supposed to be work now. I work for DHL. Yeah, just go to work every day. To me, it's this COVID thing, nothing's changed. I've been at work. It's much more busy for me, so I'm at work. I mean, I don't really get to drive my car. I work all the time.
Yeah.
But like, so when I get home, where do I go? What do I do?
Yeah, exactly. So you're out on the road.
Out on the roads, yeah.
So we all need to thank you because you're the guy that comes to bring us our stuff and our. That's
it. Yeah.
So guys, he's the front lines. You know, we talk about the nursing stuff, but where would we be?
Don't forget about me.
You know, the parcel guys. If we didn't have. You know, if we wanted to order our jumpers, hoodies, whatever, phones, Xboxes and stuff, you're the guy that comes out.
I'm the one that goes knock and runs away with his hair, bro. It's there, mate. Get away from me.
And you've worked the whole year.
Yeah. It makes me so busy at work.
Yeah.
But I like it. I like keeping busy.
That's good, man. And hats off to you, really. We'll put your Instagram and that below.
Yeah.
Is there anyone you want to give a shout out to?
No, just everyone knows you there. All my pals, man. Love you all, man. Love you all, man. And also. Yeah, man, it's been a hard bump this month. One of my pals passed away. I just want to say, I love you, money, man. That's it, man. My brother, love you.
I'm sorry to hear that, man. It's not COVID related.
No, not COVID related, nothing like that, man. Just unfortunate, man. Happened to a lovely person.
Yeah.
So yeah, to all my brothers out there, man. Love you all, man.
We'll give a shout out to you. Send me the links. We'll put stuff 100%. Down below. Thanks for bringing the car along.
No
it is really great, guys. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do a little thing. Me and Cam are gonna head to the track at some point.
Yes.
Hopefully, and we're gonna sort of get some time lapse in your car.
Yeah.
And see what we can do. It'd be a great way for you to understand, you know, what the car can do and stuff, and where the limits are. Guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Like I said, I've got some cool content coming up. I've got the C63 still waiting to have that done because of COVID, but now we can. So I'm waiting to hear back from that to finish that video off. Me and Cam will probably hit the track a little bit soon. We're going to get a day of brand, so we'll film that and let you guys know some feedback on the car. And just, you know, is this car going to be kept for the foreseeable future?
No, this is going nowhere.
It's going nowhere.
Best thing I've done buying this car.
Best thing you've done. I agree. BMW all the way.
Yeah, you know that.
You know. Tyre tracks. Guys, you'll see some smoking from Cam with his tyre. And yeah, we'll put everyone's Instagram below. Go give them a follow. Go check out Smooch's channel. Really, really funny guys. If you're bored, sat at home, or if you're working, if you're out on the road, yeah, you've got 5 minutes. Click on it. I promise you guys, it'll make you laugh. Tell you day. Made me smile when I was watching it. And we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.